In this video, I'll show you how to save a Facebook story with music so you can keep it on your phone or share it later. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged in. At the top of your home feed, tap Create Story to start making a new story. Now select a photo or video from your gallery, or capture a new one using your camera. After adding your photo or video, tap the music option from the story editing tools. Browse through the available songs or use the search bar to find the music you want. Tap the song you like, then choose the part of the music you want to include in your story. Once the music is added, adjust the sticker or lyrics position on the screen if needed. After finishing your edits, look for the Save or Download icon at the top of the screen. Tap this option before posting the story. This will save the story with the music directly to your phone. After that, you can also tap Share to Story if you want to post it on your profile. Now the story will be saved on your device with the music included. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tips and tutorials.